Rio's Easy English. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Rio's Easy English. I'm Rio.
Welcome back, English learners. Today, we're going to master one of the most important words in the English language.
That word is have. You hear it everywhere. I have a car. I have a question. I have a headache. I have breakfast at 7. I have an idea. Native speakers use have hundreds of times every day.
If you master this one verb, your English will become much more natural. Today, we'll learn what have means, different uses of have, sentence structures, daily life conversations, 100 real-life examples, common phrases, useful idioms, and common mistakes.
The word have is a verb. The basic meaning is to possess, own, experience, receive, eat, drink, or do something.
Unlike many verbs, have has many meanings depending on the situation. Look at these examples. I have a car. Possession. I have a headache. Experience. I have lunch at noon. Eat. I have a meeting today. Activity. I have an idea. Mental possession. Same word, different meanings.
When do we use have? Use have with I, you, we, they. Examples. I have a phone. You have talent. We have time. They have experience.
Main uses of have. 1. Have equals possess or own. This is the most common use. Examples: I have a car. We have a house. They have a dog. 2. Have equals family relationships. Examples: I have 2 brothers. We have 3 children. They have a large family. 3. Have equals experience. Examples: I have a headache. We have a problem. They have a wonderful opportunity. 4. Have equals eat or drink. Examples: I have breakfast at 8. We have coffee every morning. They have dinner together. 5. Have equals do an activity. Examples: have a shower, have a meeting, have a conversation, have a break.
Sentence structures with have. Positive sentences. Structure: subject plus have plus object. Examples: I have a phone. We have a plan. They have many friends. Negative sentences. Structure: subject plus don't have plus object. Examples: I don't have a car. We don't have enough money. They don't have time. Questions. Structure: do plus subject plus have plus object. Examples: do you have a car? Do they have a dog? Do we have enough food?
100 real-life examples with have. For possessions: I have a phone. I have a laptop. We have a car. They have a house. I have a bicycle. We have a television. They have a garden. I have a watch. We have internet access. They have a swimming pool.
For family and people. I have 2 brothers. I have 1 sister. We have 3 children. They have supportive parents. I have many cousins. We have wonderful neighbors. They have a large family. I have a best friend. We have good relatives. They have loving grandparents.
For daily life: I have breakfast at 7. I have lunch at noon. I have dinner at 8. We have tea every evening. They have coffee every morning. I have classes today. We have work tomorrow. They have practice tonight. I have a meeting later. We have plans for the weekend. For daily life, I have breakfast at 7. I have lunch at noon. I have dinner at 8. We have tea every evening. They have coffee every morning. I have classes today. We have work tomorrow. They have practice tonight. I have a meeting later. We have plans for the weekend.
For feelings and experiences, I have a headache. I have a cold. We have a problem. They have an opportunity. I have a dream. We have hope. They have confidence. I have concerns. We have responsibilities. They have experience.
For school and work, I have homework. We have an exam tomorrow. They have assignments. I have a project. We have a deadline. They have training. I have an interview. We have a presentation. They have important tasks. I have a new job.
For conversations, I have a question. We have an answer. They have suggestions. I have an opinion. We have information. They have advice. I have an idea. We have good news. They have bad news. I have something to say.
For activities, I have a shower every morning. We have a break at noon. They have a discussion. I have a conversation with my teacher. We have fun together. They have a picnic. I have a rest after work. We have a party tonight. They have a celebration. I have a walk every evening.
For travel, I have a ticket. We have a reservation. They have a travel plan. I have a passport. We have enough luggage. They have a guide. I have a hotel booking. We have a flight tomorrow. They have a map. I have a travel bag.
For everyday situations, I have enough money. We have enough food. They have enough water. I have free time. We have a chance. They have patience. I have good luck. We have support. They have motivation. I have confidence.
More natural examples. I have an appointment tomorrow. We have guests tonight. They have a busy schedule. I have a lot of work. We have many opportunities. They have great ideas. I have a positive attitude. We have high expectations. They have strong teamwork. I have faith in myself.
Common phrases with have. Have breakfast. I have breakfast at 7 a.m. Have lunch. Let's have lunch together. Have dinner. We have dinner at home. Have a shower. I have a shower every morning. Have a bath. The baby is having a bath. Have a seat. Please have a seat. Have a look. Have a look at this photo. Have a rest. You should have a rest. Have fun. Have fun at the party. Have a chat. Let's have a chat. Have a try. Have a try. Have a break. Let's have a break.
Idioms with have. Have a sweet tooth, meaning love sweets. I have a sweet tooth. Have butterflies in your stomach, meaning feel nervous. I have butterflies in my stomach before exams. Have your hands full, meaning be very busy. I have my hands full this week. Have a blast, meaning have a great time. We had a blast at the concert. Have something on your mind, meaning be worried. You seem to have something on your mind. Have second thoughts, meaning change your mind. I had second thoughts about the trip. Have a heart, meaning be kind. Have a heart and help him.
Common mistakes. I have a car. I have a car. I have not a car. I don't have a car. Do you have a car? Yes, I am. Do you have a car? Yes, I do. I have breakfast yesterday. I had breakfast yesterday. I don't has a car. I don't have a car. We has a meeting. We have a meeting. They have went home. They have gone home.
Mastering have. Whenever you learn a new noun, try making a sentence with have. For example, phone, I have a phone. Idea, I have an idea. Meeting, I have a meeting. Problem, I have a problem. This simple habit will help you build English naturally.
Today's challenge: write 20 sentences about your own life using have. Talk about things you own, your family, your daily routine, your plans, your dreams, your experiences. The more personal your examples are, the easier they'll be to remember.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep improving your English every day. See you in the next episode of Rio's Easy English.